Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 on your Xbox console and you keep getting this error, you have been disconnected with the error code 0x80600025, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 on your Xbox easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your games library and now you're going to go into your settings now. And once you're in your settings, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your network settings then. And then once you're in your network settings, you're going to go into advanced settings here, and then in advanced settings you're going to go into alternate MAC address here. After that you're going to click clear on here, and once you click clear, now you're going to go back and you're going to go into DNS settings now. And once you're in your DNS settings, you're going to go into manual here, and now here you're either going to put 8.8.8.8 or you can also put 1.1.1.1. And after that you're going to go into your secondary DNS. Here you can either put 8.8.4.4 or you can put 1.0.0.1, so it's up to you. After that, now you're going to go back and then you're going to go into alternate port selection here, and now you're going to click onto manual here, and here you can select any port you want. So just select the port, and now you're going to go ahead and restart your Xbox. So go into your main menu and then just click turn off console or click restart console here, and then restart your console. After you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Forza Horizon 6, you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.